This is um, it's overwhelming, the kind of support and understanding that that's been pouring in with respect to the Twitter updates on Suchi's handle. The people who have been mentioned in it in a not so positive way have actually reached out to me, seeking and clarifying and understanding, trying to understand the situation better. And I have been honest enough to tell them, saying it is indicative of a certain of a of an emotional state and a condition that Suchi is going through, and that we are all as a family trying better to understand and better to address. And in that process, there are some emotional outbursts that are happening, which have, as we see, very little factual basis. And all the people who have been mentioned in a not so positive way have been kind, understanding, and patient enough to understand that this could happen to anybody, and that not to take it personally. And I really value all of their understanding. I really value all of their love and care. And I'm sure if this were to happen to somebody in your family, I wish you would also get the same love, understanding, and care that I'm receiving right now from the people who are hurt by it the most. They realize that there is nothing personal in all of this, and it is more indicative of the condition that she's going through. And I would request the members of the press not to go to town about this, and not to take any of those facts mentioned there seriously, because these are not facts. Maybe they're not really to be taken for what they are. We should understand the situation better, and we should be a little extending a little restraint on going to town and taking down all these names, including Suchi's, at this point of time. So please treat her like you would as a member of your own family. And I really thank again all the people who have been mentioned not so positively. Thank you so much for understanding. Thank you so much for reaching out. Thank you so much for giving my family the benefit of doubt. And peace, guys, and love. And press, please, let's talk much later.